Today, I am reviewing the Prolux CV12000 central vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are tired of dragging a heavy upright vacuum from room to room, or if your current central vacuum system has started wheezing and losing its punch, you might be looking at the Prolux CV12000. I have been putting this unit through its paces for the last few months, and I have some very specific thoughts on whether this is actually the upgrade you need for your home. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, feel free to check the links below the video to explore the product or find its current price if you want to follow along with the specifications as we go. Let us start with the elephant in the room, which is the build quality. When you pull this thing out of the box, you notice immediately that it is not made of the cheap, brittle plastic that characterizes most modern appliances. It is a powder-coated steel body. In a world where everything seems designed to be replaced in 5 years, the fact that this is made in North America and comes with a 25-year service promise on the body is a massive selling point. It feels industrial. It feels like something that was built to live in a garage or utility room for decades without rusting or cracking. During my time testing it, I accidentally bumped it against a metal shelving unit while installing it, and instead of a dent or a crack, it just left a little mark on the paint that wiped right off. That kind of durability is rare, and it is the primary reason why someone should consider this unit over a cheaper plastic alternative. Now, let us talk about the suction because that is what actually matters. The CV12000 uses a 2-stage bypass motor. For those who aren't familiar with the terminology, a bypass motor is essentially designed so that the dirty air you are vacuuming up does not pass through the motor itself. This is critical for longevity. In cheaper vacuums, the dust and debris goes straight through the motor cooling system, which eventually kills the motor. By isolating that, Prolux has created a machine that actually maintains its performance. I tested this across a range of scenarios, from heavy-duty carpet cleaning to sucking up fine drywall dust after a small home repair, and the airflow is impressive. It is rated at 142 CFM, which is more than enough for most homes. If you have a house up to 8,000 square feet, this unit is going to handle it without breaking a sweat. I noticed that even when the bag started to get reasonably full, there was no perceptible drop in the lift. It just kept pulling. Installation is another area where I think people get nervous, but the Prolux design is actually quite clever here. It features dual intake ports on either side. Most central vacuum systems have the piping coming from one specific direction, and if your new unit does not align with that, you're looking at a plumbing nightmare of PVC elbows and glue. By having ports on both the left and the right, Prolux has made this a universal fit for almost any standard US central vacuum system. I was able to swap out my old, dying unit for this one in about 20 minutes. The mounting bracket is straightforward, and the weight of the steel body means you really want to make sure you are anchored into a stud, but once it is up there, it is not going anywhere. If you are handy with basic tools, you will find this installation to be a breeze. If you are not, you might still want to call a professional, but the design itself minimizes the headache significantly. One of the big questions I get asked is about the maintenance. Is this a system that you have to constantly fuss over? The answer is no, but you do have to make a choice about how you want to use it. It is designed to be bagless, which is great for the environment and saves you money on consumables, but it also comes with bags. In my testing, I found that using the bag is the way to go if you want the cleanest experience. The bag acts as a secondary filter, which keeps the interior of the unit much cleaner and makes disposal completely dust-free. If you are someone who hates the plume of dust that flies back into your face when you empty a traditional vacuum canister, just stick with the bags. They are easy to change, and the 6.8-gallon capacity means you are not going to be changing them very often unless you have a massive home with pets that shed constantly. If you choose to go bagless, the 3.75-gallon capacity is still very generous, but you will need to be more diligent about cleaning the filter to ensure you don't lose that suction performance over time. I want to be balanced here, so let us talk about the negatives. This is not a quiet machine. Because it is a powerful, industrial-style motor in a steel housing, it makes noise. If your central vacuum unit is located in a garage or a basement closet, you probably won't care. But if your utility room is right next to a living room or a bedroom, you're going to hear it when it kicks on. It is not necessarily louder than other central vacs, but it is a distinct, powerful mechanical hum. I would highly recommend using the included muffler. It does take the edge off the noise, but do not expect this to be a silent operation. If you are living in a tight apartment or a condo where the vacuum unit is in a closet right off the kitchen, the noise might be a deal breaker for you. Another point of contention for some might be the price. This is an investment. It is not an entry-level vacuum. If you are looking for the cheapest possible solution to get suction to your wall plates, you can find plastic, off-brand units for much less money. However, those units rarely last more than a few years before the motor burns out or the housing cracks. When you look at the 25-year service promise and the sheer build quality, you're paying for the fact that you will likely never have to replace this unit again. You are paying for the peace of mind that comes with knowing you won't be dealing with a broken vacuum during a busy weekend of cleaning. You can check the links below to see if the current price point aligns with your budget, but my take is that the cost per year over the life of this machine is actually significantly lower than buying a budget unit every 3 years. I also want to address the filtration. Prolux uses what they call dust-resistant filtration technology. In my testing, this worked well, but it is not a HEPA-rated medical-grade air purifier. If you have severe allergies, you might still want to be careful when emptying the canister. That said, for 99% of households, this system is more than capable of keeping the air quality in your home high, especially because the air is being exhausted outside the house, which is the main advantage of any central vacuum system anyway. You are not recirculating dust into the room like you do with a portable vacuum. Who is this for? This is for the homeowner who is tired of the throwaway culture of modern appliances. It is for the person who has a large home and needs consistent, reliable power across multiple floors and outlets. It is for the DIYer who wants to upgrade their system without having to hire a plumber or a HVAC specialist to rear out their pipes. If you're someone who values North American manufacturing and wants a company that actually stands behind their product with a long-term service promise, this is a fantastic choice. Who should avoid it? If you are living in a rental property where you aren't sure how long you'll be staying, or if you are on a very tight, short-term budget, this might be overkill. You can find cheaper, lighter units that will do the job for a few years. Also, if you're extremely sensitive to noise and have no way to isolate the vacuum unit in a remote part of the house, you might want to look for something with a more advanced sound dampening enclosure, though you will likely pay a premium for that. One thing that really stood out to me during my hands-on testing was the power consistency. I have used a lot of central vacs over the years, and many of them start to struggle once the hose length increases, or if you're using multiple outlets at once. I tested this with a 30-foot hose and a power nozzle, and the suction at the end of that hose was still incredibly strong. It picked up heavy debris, pet hair, and fine particulate matter without any hesitation. The 116 inches of water lift is definitely noticeable compared to the standard units you find in many tract homes. It is a workhorse, plain and simple. I also appreciated the attention to detail in the packaging and the included accessories. It is not often you get a company that throws in a spare bag and a muffler without charging extra. It shows that they understand the practical needs of the person installing the unit. The mounting bracket is also very well thought out. It is a simple steel plate design that allows you to hook the unit on and then secure it, which takes all the weight off your arms while you're trying to tighten the bolts. It is these small design choices that make the difference between a frustrating afternoon of swearing at a wall and a successful home improvement project. If you are currently dealing with a vacuum that has lost its suction, the first thing I would suggest is checking your pipes for clogs, but if the pipes are clear and the unit is just old, the Prolux CV12000 is a very strong contender for a replacement. I have had no issues with the motor overheating, even during a long cleaning session where I vacuumed the entire house, including the basement and the garage. It runs cool, it runs strong, and it feels like it is just getting started. In terms of value, you have to look at the long game. If you spend $500 on a cheap vacuum that lasts 4 years, you are spending $125 a year. If you spend more on this unit but it lasts 20 years, your cost drops significantly, not to mention the saved time and effort of not having to perform a full system replacement every few years. When you factor in the North American-based support, which is surprisingly easy to deal with if you have questions about compatibility, the value proposition becomes even clearer. I want to wrap this up by reiterating that this is a specialized piece of equipment. It is not for everyone, but for the specific demographic it targets, it is a top-tier product. It is honest, it is heavy-duty, and it does exactly what it claims to do. I have not found any major flaws in its operation, and the few minor gripes I have, like the noise level, are standard for this class of vacuum. If you are ready to stop fighting with your vacuum and want a system that will be there for the long haul, this is a great direction to go. Don't forget that you can explore the product and find its current price through the links below the video. I hope this look at the Prolux CV12000 helps you decide if it is the right move for your home. It has earned its place in my utility room, and I expect it to stay there for a very long time. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your home improvement projects.